Okay, for starters, don't ask me what's going on here. I don't know why this hole is cut here. I don't know if somebody did that because they want to get to the mirror at some point or what. Well, I don't know. But here's my issue. Alright. When I try to roll the window up, the window hits the trim right here. And then, you know, if I do that, I can push it in. But it's obviously canted. You can see here how the window is angling out this way. Okay. Now, this wasn't a problem until I installed the new rubber trim, which no doubt put a little bit extra pressure on this, and maybe that was more than it can stand, but I don't believe that that's a critical design, is the pressure of the rubber. So what I'm thinking is there's something wrong with the track mechanism that makes it go that when it goes up and down. Now, again, I'll roll it up so you can see. If I just apply a little bit of pressure right here. Can you come here for a second?
What?
Can you come over here for a second?
Yeah.
Just hold the camera. I'm recording right now. Just hold the camera. Don't. Okay. Look where I'm pointing my finger here. Can you see where I'm pointing? You can back off if it's blurry. I want to get a clear shot. Okay. So see what happens? It comes up and it hits here. That's outside the track. Okay. But if I just get a light pressure this way, we're good. Okay. It'll go right up and fine. Everything's fine. But as soon as I come down, there, it pops out and it's done. So, my question to the group, okay, I'll take it over from here, thank you very much, is one of the things I've noticed is this arm right here doesn't look right. By right, I mean this arm is flat. Let me get a better picture of it here. This arm is straight across. There's like a bend here. And then this arm seems to have a buckle here. And that buckle looks peculiar. Maybe you can see it here with the, put a straight edge on it so you can see better. Okay, look at this blue thing out of the way. Don't drop that, Dave. Oh, God. Hold on, folks. Technical difficulties. Okay, here we go. I'm wondering about the slight bend right here. Say it's... and then it angles up. There's a dip in the arm right here, couple degree dip, and I don't think it needs to be there, because when I look at the mechanism, let me roll it down. Let's see if I can get a better view of it somewhere. Right here, it seems to have a bend. That's not perfectly flat. Now there is a much sharper bend right here to kind of where these two come together, but this is downstream of where that bend is. So I got a sharp bend about right here on this arm that clears this arm, but then you got this sloping bend here. I'm just wondering if that has anything to do with it, because the other way I can make it go up, if I put a little bit of tension back here, I just pull back on it like that. I'll try to record it. Maybe you'll be able to see. So I'm going to pull some tension here. Wait a minute. Pull tension there, and it goes right up. Pull tension. If I keep this stressed, if I keep this pulled back a little bit, it rolls up. Again, I seem to have there seems to be something going on right here. I can feel a hump on this control arm right here. I'm just wondering if that's supposed to be straight. If that was straight, I don't know if that would cause us to do what I'm doing. But I'm telling you, but it's not a huge bend, and I don't see any other bends anywhere else. And I can't see anywhere. I can't see anything else here that accounts for the doors tracking up and down. It doesn't. The glass doesn't even get into the track back here until it's already too late. So it's not like, oh, the track's a problem, because it's already out of whack before this back edge of the window can engage that track. So that's not the problem. Like I said, the problem happens right, oops, sorry, right there. You see, I'm still a quarter of an inch out from the track over there, and I'm parallel here to the window. There's no slack in here. I made sure I tried fooling around with these two screws here, thinking maybe I could like tweak this in and tweak this out, and I wasn't having any success there. I don't know. I don't think that's the problem. It seems more, this funny arm bend is the thing that kind of makes me worry. I was going to take the other door card off and check it out and compare it and see if that's a problem. And I guess what I have to do is take the whole regulator out and rebend it. I wonder what's missing here. Oh, that's for the armrest. Never mind. So I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, anybody else has fought any kind of weird problem like that? That's the only thing that looks even slightly odd. And again, there doesn't seem to be any internal structure that accounts for why the window is falling outside of the structure. See, this is almost flush with the back edge right here. It's not even in the track anywhere along the line there. It's completely out. But if I do that, it's in. Why does it not come up like that? Now, granted, when I put the door card in, it helps. The door card presses against this window a little bit with the felt, and that helps it. It just seems like it's just a little bit out of whack. I'm thinking maybe, I wish I could get that bend better. I really want to show you this. When I bridge across there, I got about a, I don't know, well, I got about a 3/16 inch gap between these 2 points when I bridge across it. So, like I said, I could take the other door card off, I guess, and just compare it. I'll know for sure if the other one's flat and that one's not. It's got to mean something, but I'm just looking for some help. Somebody maybe's been up against this before. So anyway, that's where we are. But this has got some pretty good tension here. I got to push pretty hard to make that happen. Now, again, that's without the door card installed. With the door card installed, you know, it works. I'm in, just like that. I don't know what the clearance is supposed to be here. I don't know if this door took a whack at some point. I can't see any evidence of any repairs being done. All the sheet metal looks good. So, I don't know. Give me some help, guys. Give me some ideas. I could really use it. Tell me if I need to take the window regulator out and straighten these arms, bend that back. I mean, I'll do it. If that's what you have to do. No problem. I can take that molding off really easy. In fact, what I'll do is I'll take the molding off right now, so you can see it. It's not on there very hard. I'll get that. Watch the little roller. He'll want to jump out. Really easy. Yeah, easy roller. Where's that roller? Yeah. So you can go down. Duh. Just use a little trim tool to hold the rotor in the roller in place. It likes to jump out. Nope, it almost jumped out, and it did jump out. Damn it! Hold on. So it keeps the tension on. I guess I assume that roller's got to be there. I'm not going to do a fix like, oh, take the roller out. That'll make it work better. Well, yeah, it probably. Better, but it's not right. Let me scooch it down a little bit. There we go. Alright. So with the roller out, with the trim out, it goes up. You can still see With the trim out, it's closer. You see it's starting to catch inside there. So no rubber to fight, and it goes up there pretty easy. But as soon as I put the rubber in, it's unhappy again. So I can't believe that little bit of friction is all it's taking. Now I guess if it's too much friction, maybe I should go back and look at this pinch weld. I mean, that pinch weld doesn't look deformed to me in any way. Maybe I just need to tweak that back a little bit to take a little bit of that pressure off. I mean, it just clamps on those things right there. What else could be happening here? Yeah. I mean, it's got plenty of room. Let me look down inside here now with the molding out of the way. Okay, I can see there's some kind of guide in here. Get a light on it. But again, that guide doesn't seem like it even comes into play. It's pretty jacked up though, I'll give you that. This rubber piece in here is pretty much, oh look, you can move it. That's interesting. Like it's gone sunk down inside there. Could that rubber have a problem? Is that rubber supposed to extend out further, maybe down the bottom and catch it sooner? Let's try something here. Let me try to grab that rubber. I mean, okay, I see it's catching it. It is starting to catch it right there. Oh, you know, there is quite a bit of play here. And the glass is being captured right about here by that rubber piece in there. So maybe that is the problem. Maybe it's that rubber is so floppy that it's not catching the glass. Could I get that? I bet that's it. Okay, so what I'm going to do for fun is see if I can put something right down on the inside here and make up that slot so as it comes up it'll ride in that slot. But yeah, it's starting to look real suspicious. Ooh, that just thing comes all the way down. I'm gonna try shoving it. Huh, that's strange. I'm gonna try pushing it down, see what happens. Maybe it catches it earlier. Yeah. It's definitely something going on down there, and I can see how if that was really grabbing it, it's like I said, catching it right about here, as it rolls up closer it should stay inside that slot. Like right now it should still be in the slot, and it is right up to about here, but there's really a lot of play there. Huh. Yeah, I guess it's played down this part too. I know you can't see. Right down in there. See, it's just getting it right there. Well, I think that rubber might be a part of the problem. Maybe that bend. I'm going to stop now. Let you guys give me some ideas. I do have new window felts to go around here, but I don't think that's going to do any good. I didn't realize there's a secondary rubber piece all the way down here, unless maybe that's just a continuation of this, but it doesn't appear to be. Maybe it is. Maybe it's the same stuff. Huh. I'll check into it. What am I talking about? This is what I'm talking about. I'll stop now. I'll come back.